Hi, this is Jared with LearnToWinTrading.com doing another market review for March 16th. We generally trade the first hour in the morning, and that's about it for the rest of the day. Today was a Fed day. We had a federal rate decision come out here in the market, and that caused generally that causes the market to move a little differently through the day. Sometimes I take the day off on Fed days, but regardless, we did have some good trades this morning. When the market opened, we had what I like to call my Steve Fairchild, Steve the Machine trade. I generally take a half point on those, and this one you could have done it two ways here. Based off of what our indicators are showing, you had the mini little support. You could have taken a half point off of that, called it good, or excuse me, that would have been here, half point about there. Or you could have ridden this all the way down until it gave you a reason to get out here with our lower indicators for several points. But to do this on the most conservative approach, you can do kind of what I had done. Grab a half point here, get in, get out, grab a little piece, and then on your next TC signal, which we have here, you can come in and grab another half point. So total for the morning, and just this little push down, we've got a full point on our hands here for 20% on our margin. So that's not a bad return for your money. That's within the first 15 minutes of the market. So not a bad job at all. 15 minutes of work, you get a 20% return on your money. But I did want to show you something interesting. I had a student show me what he did yesterday with our signals on a longer term chart. This is the S&P, Emini S&P 500 here. We're looking at a 5-minute chart, and I was just thrilled for what he did. He used our signals on a longer term chart to get into a trade, a beautiful trend confirmation going on here. His entry here, his exit at 46.5 up here. He made a good 5 points on that. So the potential is there. Now, if you're going to trade a different time than the first hour of the market, trade the last hour. The first and the last hour are going to give you the most volatility and the most potential for signals, the most opportunities. If you trade in between, in the middle of the day in this stuff, well, you're either going to get faked out a lot and take losses, or you're not going to have opportunities to get into the market. It just makes it a little more difficult. But nonetheless, first half hour of the market, generally a pretty good time to be in there. If you want to learn more, visit us at www.learntowintrading.com. Go to /training to access our day trading crash course, and we look forward to seeing you there.